As a woodworker, you love to make things for family and friends, and a cornhole board set is a great, simple project for those get-togethers. Follow along here as we take you step by step through making a set that will last a lifetime. And be sure to download the free plans in our description below. Let's jump into it. So we have cut our top and our sides and we are ready to assemble. That means we're going to be using the biscuit joiner. That's going to hide the plywood edges and be nice and clean. Let's get to it. All right, so the next step is we're going to be attaching the leg. And to do that, on each leg you need a backer piece here. This block will actually house the threaded inserts, and that will go in each corner or on the whole end. So this will be elevated because of the leg. Now to do that, we're going to take a 1/8 inch spacer, place it inside here, and that will ensure that we get the proper swing. This is our future leg that we will be cutting an angle into. But you can see, we'll add a pivoting point and we're good to go. I installed one of the legs and we have flipped the board over. Now it's time to add blocking here, which gets us to 12 inches to the top. And then with that one installed leg, we have it hanging off the edge. I'm going to scribe right where my tabletop is. That should keep us right at 12 inches. We're looking pretty good. The legs are on, and now it's time for some finish sanding. We'll put a decal on it, then it's on to finish. With the boards assembled, all we have to do is get outside and have some fun.